I used to be a good sleeper. Now I am a brilliant one. And that is what I want for you. There are so many things that you can do to improve your sleep, and most of them are here in my book. However, there is one that I think is most important. I truly believe that fixing sleep issues is actually one of the easier things that we can improve, and it can be done so effectively. You're probably wondering, what is that one thing I mentioned? It is routine. It's going to bed at the same time each night and waking up at the same time each morning. 365 days of the year. You've no idea the difference it can make.